Shit. I need to move one of the risers. I could throw this on the ground. Put this right there. Put this right there. I don't want to. Weenus. You call me a weenus? Oh my gosh, you can't grab this one. What? You grab the other one like no problem. So yeah, I installed the fan now. I just need to put the motherboard in there, hook it up to all the wires and shit, and then put in the hard drive. And I have to turn it on, but the thing is, I don't know what to do from there. Okay, cool. Got it. I mean, like, I know to install the OS and then may configure the BIOS system. I read the instruction manual, but it was confusing as shit. I didn't understand crap. I was like, this shit is confusing. Oh, boo, 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 boo. There. Is that tight enough? No, that is not tight enough. I don't know how tight this shit has to be. I guess not be moving like that. They're all, oh, they're not all the same position. I mean, does it move after I move it? It moves some. Whatever. Okay, there we go. Oh. Almost broke the disc. Oh, fuck, I'm pinching the cables. An ad, are you serious? Good for you. I already installed the IO shield a long time ago, I'm sorry, man. This cable's in the way! How do I move it? Let's stick it in there. Alright, stick it in there. Oh, shit. Oh, badass, it can go like that. Alright, badass. Wait, you might want to see this. Pretty sure you can see that. Yeah, you can see this shit. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. This is scary. The cables are in the way, too. I moved you guys, and you got in the way again. Damn it, you're nerve-wracking. I already have enough nerves already right now. I have inadequate lighting. That fucking cable got in the way again. Ah! Oh, there's a tile here. Awesome. I just took you out of the fucking way. There. No problems now, fucker. Careful. I probably scratched it already. Oh shit! Going, yay! Went in. It didn't go in completely. More fucking Italian or what? Oh shit! Come on, go in. Yay! Did it clip? No, it didn't clip. Come on. There. All the holes are aligned. Awesome. Now I don't have that screwdriver I wanted. I gotta use this thing. Well, not that I don't like it. I think it's just. I gotta use this. Which ones do I use? Do I use the white ones or what? Which ones do I use, guy? I don't know which ones to install, guy. Where's the case? I got the motherboard here. Thingy. It doesn't tell me which screws do I use. I'm dead. I guess I use any screws. I mean, I can't use the black ones. I don't know. These black ones. Oh, these black ones are for the hard drive. Sorry guys, this is so boring. I think I gotta use these. The ones with the little ribs and shit. I think I do. Or do I gotta use these? Oh my gosh, this is fucking confusing. Meow, meow. I mean, I want to use these with the teeth on it. It looks like I should use those. I'm sorry I'm boring you with this. It's not reaching. Oh, fucking move. It moved. Oh, shit. Because the problem is that the top part here and the motherboard inside of it, oh shit, is bent. I don't know why it's bent, but it's just bent. Hopefully I don't fucking fail so hard that I need the other fucking. I can't do it with this. I can do it with this thingy. I don't even got proper lighting. My sister's dog peed on the floor. That's great. Either way, if you're wondering why the mic is that low, it's because my sister's dog was barking earlier. I gotta clean my nose. It's annoying when my nose is like that and stuff. Night later, how many people do I have watching me? I don't think I have that many people watching me. It doesn't fit! No! It's fucking bush. Whatever. Whatever, I tried. Come on, you. Ugh. You got it, you got it, you got it. Yay! No! No! Fuck! I got it. Ooh, don't you fall, don't you fall. Okay, I got the first one, guys. I got the first one. Woo! Ah, okay. Oh, I am boring. I'm gonna put the ones that are bent, man. I mean, it is watching somebody that fucking build a PC. Fuck! Damn it! I mean, I already knew it was gonna be this tough. And shit, I thought I was gonna build it faster, but no, my dumbass went